My name is A.W. Schultz, and I'm a doctoral candidate at Baylor University. My area of practice is the impact of leadership transformation in smart factories. This is a qualitative case study of management approaches during a transition from Industrial 4.0 to 5.0. The manufacturing sector is transforming from Industrial 4.0, profit-driven automation, to Industrial 5.0, human-centric approach, which emphasizes a human-machine collaboration and sustainable manufacturing practices. This transition occurs when the manufacturing industry faces unprecedented workforce challenges. Projections indicate a labor shortage of close to 2 million workers in the next decade. With this, and also the fact that millennial-dominated workforce shows concerning levels of disengagement, only about 29% reporting active engaged in their work. My theoretical framework is to build an understanding of how self-determinational theory is used in change management within smart factories. The research question I aim to solve is, how do change management strategies that support employees' autonomy, competency, and relatedness needs influence engagement and technological adaptations during Industry 5.0 implementations in smart factory facilities? This is a qualitative multi-case study design was selected for several compelling reasons. First, the case study methodology is particularly suited for investigating how questions within real-world contexts where boundaries between phenomenon and context may not be evident. This alignment with research questions examining how change management strategies influence employees' engagement during Industrial 5.0 implementation. The complexity of smart factories environment and the interplay between human and technological factors necessitate an in-depth, holistic approach that a case study methodology provides. The decision to employ multi-case study decisions across 3 smart factories facilitates a strengthening the research for several ways. First, as Stake argues, multiple case studies allow for within-case analysis and cross-case comparisons, enabling identifications of patterns and variations in how organizations approach similar challenges. The approach aligns with the self-determination theory framework by allowing examination of how different organizations context support and basic psychological needs of autonomy, competencies, and relatedness. The details of the plan are as follows. Beginning with planning, you generate the research questions, interview guidelines, and achieve IRB approval. Number 2 is the data collection. 3 smart factories, semi-structured interviews between 3 and 5 subjects. Number 3 is the data analysis. A triangular approach of the data through sources, methodology, and investigations. And enforce the interpretations, writing up the results, and understanding the themes and motivations and patterns. This study adopts a constructive paradigm, recognizing the knowledge and understanding through the interactions between researcher and participants within a specific social context. The psychological stance aligns with the study's focus on understanding how employees and managers construct meaning and engagement during technological transformation. This constructive worldview assumes that the reality is social constructed through multiple perspectives and lived experiences, making it particularly appropriate for examining how different stakeholders interpret and respond to Industrial 5.0 implementations. Thank you.